My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Crypbits256. Crypbits256. This is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open any of your files without any complications. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends a special extension to the files called CrypBits256PT2. The extension may be slightly different though. It also drops a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. We recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then once the program is successfully installed, start carefully investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on this Start Scan button. The program, after you click on the Start Scan button, will begin researching and investigating your computer. And first of all, of course, it will update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.